So I'm going to take a few minutes and summarize some aspects of the philosophy and theory behind the ecological accounting process, and also give you a brief summary of a project on Brooklyn Creek that we looked at using that process. And you'll find me using the acronym EAP often in our process rather than the whole ecological accounting process. So we know this is true, and when you think about that, one has to wonder why, when we look at human settlement, which is often land development in our concepts, we wonder why that's not done in balance with the conservation of land. Why aren't those equal priorities?